how to set up Tap to Pay on Cash App. In order to do this, you will need to get a Cash App card. Click on the bank icon in the bottom left, and then at the very top you should see Get Your Free Debit Card. Once you have ordered the card and received it, then you will need to activate it. Next, you will go and get your phone, and you want to go into Wallet. Here, from the wallet, you want to click on the plus sign at the top, and then you will select debit or credit card. If you are given the option here, you will click on add a different card. The Cash App card is going to be a debit card, so you want to click on continue. Now, once you have received your card, you will just place it near the back of your iPhone. You will have an NFC chip, and it's going to detect it, and it's going to automatically add your card to Apple Wallet, and you will be able to use Tap to Pay as you would normally. I hope this answers your question. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.